Hey guys, Caleb and Bill here. We're super excited to announce taking a new guy onto the Calderwood roster. This kit's almost done. It sounds great. It looks great. The only issue we're having is the guy's a bit of a handful.
Yeah, actually, I'm kind of having a hard time finding a hotel that'll take him. I mean, I hear he breaks a lot of stuff, and apparently they chain him to his drum set. So
wow.
I don't know what we're gonna do.
Let's make him stay with Bales.
What about Bales?
Hey, Bales.
Hey. So one of your childhood drumming heroes is coming into town to pick up his drum set, and we need a place for him to stay.
My childhood hero?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Tommy
Real?
Lee? Holy crap. Is he gonna hang from my ceiling? Oh, I hope he's wearing more than that codpiece in the suspender. He's bringing the chicks, right? The nasty habits?
I mean,
the nasty habits? Seriously? I gotta get ready. I'm sorry, I'll be back.
Huh.
Well, that went well.
Yeah. Should we tell him?
Nope. So, you guys have a good time last night, or what?
You know, it wasn't what I expected. He's a little loud. Doesn't sleep much, he snores, and he's a kicker.
Do you sleep in your bed?
I only have one bed. I'm not giving it up.
Alright, so, big spoon or little spoon?
You know, that's a personal question. You know, go ahead, buddy.
Well, we got it all finished. We got it tuned up. Really hope you like it.
Seriously? If you tell Bill or Caleb about this, I'm denying it.